Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add LUTs in Filmora 14. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have already opened my Filmora application. And first of all, I'm going to add this video to the timeline so we can edit this video. And if you want to add LUT to your project guys, you can go to the color menu right here. And then you're going to activate the LUT. You can activate it like this, and then you can add the LUT preset. You can click on add here, and then you can add LUT from your device. And for the LUT, I have already downloaded a LUT from the internet. Wait, and I'm going to choose this LUT. Okay, and I'm going to add another one. Let's try this one. Okay, and you can choose the LUT here. Okay, these are the LUT I have added to Filmora. And okay guys, that's all the way to add LUT in Filmora 14. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!